Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we have got a double Hermes unboxing. Hello, my name is Flossie. If it's your first time tuning into my channel, I do things relating to fashion, travel, and lifestyle, and also love to dibble and dabble into luxury because we love our luxury haul unboxing reviews here, just like today. So today I have got a double Hermes unboxing. These are actually items that I actually got for my birthday. If you haven't watched my previous video that I posted, I believe about 2 weeks ago, I will link it up there, which I did show a few things I did get for my birthday. This is actually the second part, continuation of what I got. I just thought these ones actually deserve their own video, so I was able to get two items from Hermes for my birthday. The first one I've actually posted on TikTok, so if you don't follow me on TikTok, it's Flossie Insight. You can follow me there, and also if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at Flossie Insight. So with all that being said, we'll go into the first unboxing. When I actually saw this, I loved it on the Hermes website. I'm sure probably you know what this is already because I've got like two of these already, but I'm obsessed. I saw this color and I thought, yes, this is me, this is my color. So this is it. Obviously comes with a receipt, and we've got two dust bags. So I was able to get this beautiful orange sandal. I love this purple because if you don't know, purple is my favorite color. When I saw this violet purple, I thought, yes, this is me. So I was able to get this in a 40. Such a beautiful summery color. Is the season right now. I have not worn it yet because I was actually waiting for the right season, and also obviously now it's getting warmer. I thought I'd just do an unboxing for you guys on YouTube. I love this, and I think this is in the Epsom leather. It's quite stiff. My green one I bought was actually in the Epsom leather, and it takes a lot for you to fit in, like to break through it. So I think this one, that's why I decided to go for 40, because that was a 39.5. I'm still trying to wiggle my way through, unlike the yellow one that I've got. So this is actually the third Hermes orange, and I'm in love with it. Love this color. I think it's so pretty. I can't wait to style it. I can't wait to wear it this season. And yes, and I think they've got a different shade of purple right now, a darker purple. I thought, oh, that looks nice. But I'm in love with this. I love this color, so I picked it up in a 40. Love it. And as usual, it comes with two dust bags. Love it. And that's the first one. The second unboxing, this is like a very most wanted, let's say most wanted shoes of Hermes that it's always, honestly, like always out of stock. I don't even know how, but I was lucky to grab this. I got this actually in my essay. I went into this shop I think a couple of months ago, I believe around around December time. I went in to just kind of update my wish list because we're trying to get a Hermes bag, a Kelly this time. So I just asked, you know what, have you got this particular shoe? And they're like, it's like, let me go see and check. And honestly, when he came out with this color, not my usual color, but I actually like the fact that I got it. So this beautiful is a shoe as well. Not unboxed it yet, first time, so I cannot wait to wear it. That's why I haven't unboxed it yet. So this gorgeous like shoe, if you know what it is, just put it down in the description, put it down in the communication, let's keep talking. So two dust bag as well. I was able to get the shipwreck in black. Yeah, I was so surprised they actually had it, not just in this size but also in black, which is like one of the most wanted colors. So I was able to get this, and they run small. I'm usually a size 39, sometimes 40. I had to get this in I was surprised myself. I had to get this in a 41. So you actually have to go one size more or 1.5 size more, and this fits perfectly because I mean my feet is actually quite slender. So if you've got my feet is actually quite slim. So if you've got a wide feet, I'd say probably go 1.5 size more, because I don't know why they look quite big, but they actually the sizing is actually quite small. But I love it. The leather is so soft. I can't wait to wear it. It's something like a holiday poolside season right now, and I don't think this is the last of it. I love the fact it gives me that Birkenstock, because I do have something like a Birkenstock and I find them so comfortable. So I'm just excited for this. It's going to be like an airport, even in the cold season. Just put my socks on and wear this. So I'm excited and I'm here for it. I'm looking forward to wearing this. So yeah, love this. And yeah, love this. Excited to put this on. That wraps up the end of this unboxing. I'm so happy. I'm excited I was able to get these two beautiful colors. Like the chypre, I was surprised I was able to actually get it, because it's always, literally always unavailable online and in store. Not to get the black, apart from the fact that it's black, to also get my size. I'm like, wow, I was really happy, and I don't think it's going to be the last one I'm going to get, so I'm excited for that. And also I love the orange color. Is it my last one? I don't know, but you know, it's comfortable. That's one thing I love about it. And the colors, this explosion of colors that gets me, so I love it. But I'd love to know what you think. Have you got the chypre? Let me know what you think. Have you got the orange? Is it your vibe? What do you think of it? Let's keep talking. Any other thing. And I've got one more unboxing that I will do. That's actually my biggest one that I got for my birthday. I'm so happy. It was actually part of the things I got for my wish list, so hopefully that I will do that video and upload it as soon as possible as well. With all that being said, if you like my video, please don't forget to give a girl a thumbs up. It helps a lot with my YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And also don't forget to give me some video ideas, anything you'd like me to do, fashion related, talk about luxury related. Yeah, I hope we're all having an amazing summer, beautiful weather, loving it. This is my season. I'm here for it. It's about for me now. Take care. Bye.